In terms of financial reasoning, it can provide a macro view of the company's data, which favors investment and cost reduction. When a company opts for an automated process instead of a manual one, it can save time. With automation, bureaucracy is reduced, the incidence of errors is reduced, and data storage security is increased. Therefore, opting for automation is very advantageous and essential. However, it becomes difficult to find a reliable system, because you have to rummage around to find the right one, so we now have 2 systems available that can undoubtedly meet your needs. So buy it now and enjoy. Go to the link in the description and follow our channel.